You finna get fucked up. Jalen don't need to be having kids.
And then y'all got combo without me. It's crazy.
What the hell y'all take?
I know that license plate.
Kicking they ass. Kicking they ass.
It's 1 and 1. He cheated, cash. He cheated.
Throw that shit back in.
We need that money. We need the money. We said no cheating.
No.
Hell no. Hell no.
Oh, hell no.
They nigga cheated, so we gon' cheat.
Hey.
They cheated, so we started cheating. It's cool when they do it. It's fun when we do it.
Man, let's chop it up. Talk about how we gon' get to the money. We thumbing it up.
Man, let's chop it up. My girl was running her mouth about beating. We had to break up.
Let's chop it up. Might let you borrow my heart, but you know I cannot give it up.
Man, let's chop it up. Man, I come calling when I get the ball and trying to say what's up.
Man, let's chop it up.
She got the hookah. Who gave her this? Y'all. Because they're not giving it.
Holding it. She's just holding it.
No, it was in her mouth.
She's just holding it. She's just holding it.
Give me this goddamn hookah. Give me this. Give me this. You finna get fucked up. You finna get fucked up.
I didn't do nothing.
My bad babysitter.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything, y'all. Back to the schedule program. What I was saying, bro. I'm gonna hide my truth, y'all.
So who shit?
Not hide my truth from the world. I'm a dad. Look at that.
Jalen don't need to be having kids. Cause why the fuck do she got the hookah?
Y'all, this is my child.
When you have a baby?
I'm done hiding my truth
Watch
from the
this,
world.
y'all.
I'm done hiding my truth from the world, y'all.
Nah, your truth for the world.
I'm done.
When her birthday?
When her birthday? February 12th.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Y'all, could y'all see it though? Could y'all see me having a kid though? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all can see it. Behind the scenes. Who is the fairy? What is a fairy? I'm so confused. Where are you? What is he doing? Emmanuel.
Push up. Y'all ain't put the food up.
They tweaking. And then y'all got combo without me. It's crazy.
I don't know nothing about that.
Nah, you know something about that. You probably was the one that wanted kava.
Oh no, it wasn't me.
So who wanted some kava?
Yeah.
Emmanuel.
No.
So you wanted kava?
I ain't gonna lie.
I want that
I'm
shit.
trying to feel a little hungover. I needed something healthy. I ain't want to eat no bullshit.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
And then I'm in the cover line.
Yeah.
She calling me.
Cash?
Yeah, she called me. I'm on the phone with my sister. I said, hold on, this cashmere calling me. I look up, she right there.
Don't waste no time.
I'm like, how did you find me?
Don't waste no time.
I know that license plate.
I know, right?
She know what's going on.
So when you see me, you was like, what the hell?
What the hell, y'all?
What the hell, y'all take?
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the hell, Brian James?
No, what the hell, Cyrus?
Y'all ready?
What the hell, Barry?
What the hell, Brian James? Shout yourself out, bro.
Hey y'all, my Instagram is at Jaydagreat. It's gonna be right here. And make sure you gotta add it right here. Thank you.
I gotta let you go. I feel it all in my soul. I've been creeping on the low. I gotta let you go. Ay, I gotta let you go. I feel it all in my soul. I've been creeping on the low.
Hey man, took the kids out to go bowling, man. You know, I got my little one.
Got the game with us, man.
We got the game with us. Some shit.
Shut up.
And she got a spare. She got a spare. And she bowling with a baby. What in the ghetto? And then you all in the lane. You're gonna get right.
Talk about how we gon' get to the money, we thumbing it up.
Man, let's chop it up. My girl was running her mouth about beating. We had to break up.
Let's chop it up. Might let you borrow my heart, but you know I cannot give it up.
Man, let's chop it up. Man, I come calling when I get the ball and trying to say what's up.
Man, let's chop it up.
Okay.
I'm on that dude.
Oh my God, Jay.
What's that nigga be running? Forrest Gump, look at that.
Oh my God. Wait, what did he say?
He like,
get two.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
In the game,
No, you don't.
in the game, it's like, hell no. Let's go.
No. Y'all shoot your damn ball. No. Cause they only go win. Now we go win. Give me.
It's 1-1. We actually winning. We actually winning. Well, nah, we losing. We actually losing. We lose by 1.
Kicking.
We gotta lose by 1. We about to kick their ass. Watch this shit.
Camera.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Hey, bro. It's one on line, bro. I need that back. I need that back.
I forgot we got money on it. Let me log in.
Beat us by 2.
It's 1-1. It's 1-1, cuz. Like, hold on. We got 1. And they got 1. It's 1-1, y'all. It's 1-1.
May the best man win.
May the best team
I used to hoop though, freshman on varsity.
Man, we gonna see. Take us home. He said we won. We won, guys. You cheated, we won. You cheated, we won. You cheated, we won. You cheated, we won.
Hell no.
Hey, Cash, he cheated, Cash. He cheated. He
I didn't
cheated.
see
We
it.
won.
Do it again. Do it again.
Okay, roll that shit back then.
Take us home. He said we won. We need that money. We need the money.
If it's meant to be.
Yeah, we said no cheating. We said no cheating.
If we owe y'all
said
one.
no cheating.
Cause she intercepted.
Hell no. We said no cheating.
No. Listen.
Yo, we said no
Real
cheating.
talk. She just
Bro,
intercepted.
we said no cheating.
When hers bounced, it was about to bounce so in.
Bro, Manny trying to cheat this shit now, cuz. Hell no. Bro. Hell no. That nigga cheated, so we gon' cheat.
Hey,
That nigga cheated.
somebody gotta win though.
They cheated, so we started cheating. And it was a problem. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when we do it. Fuck 'em.
Look, nigga.
It's been a fun night, though. It's been a really fun night.
Nah, for sure. It's gonna be more fun, more sweeter, you know what I'm saying? More greater.
More Peter, more player.
More Peter, more
More
you know
Peter,
what I'm
more,
saying?
yeah.
Check this out when I win that bread though.
We been kicking that
So
ass.
y'all niggas need to stop cheating for
Bro,
it.
nigga, y'all was cheating. You
So we
started
can
the
go
shit.
win.
How much?
No. Y'all see?
Y'all started cheating.
We won. We finished the shit, nigga. We won.
Even though the ball never went in though.
See who actually do it.
Yeah, like this is how much cheese? Take it. Alright.
I ain't get no money though. We flow, but for sure.
What you mean?
Cheat, we already won.
If y'all win, I'ma give y'all the
They
money.
cheated first.
If you win, I'ma give you the money.
If you win, I'm not, because you're a cheater. And we won
She
already.
cheated too though.
But you cheated first.
Okay, look, hear me out though. The game is even. So this is a new
So
agreement.
you go first.
I'll go first.
Well, hey, I got like it with my mate.
I'll go first.
My teammate. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
We gonna make a new agreement. I say make a new agreement just because
It's even.
I'm not talking to you right now. I'm not talking to
It's
you right
even.
now. What you
This
saying,
is what I
teammate?
say.
What you saying, teammate?
Let's add on an extra
What's
5.
wrong with that guy? Extra 5?
Alright.
Extra 5.
I'm with that.
Extra 5?
Extra 5.
Now we got 20.
Whatever.
20 on the line. It's $20 pot.
Hey, bro, you not just like me and my teammate talking right now. Let us finish talking, and then you come here right now. Manny a fucking cheater, y'all. Manny is a fucking cheater, y'all. Like, Real. Yeah, like I said. So, bro, she was kicking my ass for the team. I'm not gonna lie. She been kicking my ass. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, but I brought us back though. So now we gotta go and finish.
What's it gonna be, fool? Are we doubling it?
My mate said.
Are we doubling it, or y'all wanna keep it the same?
My mate said she wanna double it.
Okay.
Make it more interesting.
My mate said she wanna double it.
Alright, and everyone gets a practice shot.
For sure.
But if you make the practice shot, it don't count.
It don't count.
Dang, bruh. No, for real.
Yeah, we had a great night, man. A great night, y'all.
They go get some grub. They won. They won the friendly.
But my nigga, man, he's worried though. He a real man. He's worried,
For
man.
sure.
They paid their bread. Yeah, they paid their bread. Y'all know we went crazy though. Now we're about to go get something to eat because we are hungry. Winning time, we snap. Winning time, man. Winning time. Say congratulations. You gonna say congratulations?
For real.
It's good, ain't it? She was a fairy.
Yup. She was up there.
Yep. Big K, what's up, man?
I'm handling business.
You handling business right now?
Somebody gotta handle business. Cause everybody wanna play too much.
Somebody gotta be serious, man.
Hit there.
Hey, I got a song for you.
What?
I got a song. I need you to crank that shit to me. So how you been, bro? How you been, man?
I've been good.
Talk to him, man. Talk to him.
Okay, so I've been good.
Look right here. That shit look right here.
I'm looking at myself. Okay, I've been good. I just found out I gotta go to the Air Force. So, you know, I'm finna come back buff.
She gonna go protect and serve. No cap, man.
Okay.
I'm with a real celebrity, Miss Ghosty, man. Big Ghosty, not the little one, man. Not the
Never. How's college been?
Fuck college. No, college is stressful. College is stressful, bro.
It freaking is.
Yeah.
Dang, girl.
Slow down, baby, it ain't going nowhere. Slow down, baby, she taking the thing to the head. Slow down, baby, it ain't going nowhere.
I like to drink with Ari because Ari is my birthday.
Yeah.
Drink with Ari because she gets it out of 8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2.
I gotta let you go. I feel it all in my soul. I've been creeping on the low. I gotta let you go. Ay, I gotta let you go. I feel it all in my soul. I've been creeping on the low. I gotta let you go.